Hey, what's up, YouTube and Triple T members? Jeremy Barber here, owner of Trading the Trend chat room on Discord. The link is in the video description. Speaking of the chat room, our end of day plays from Friday into today had a decent day considering the market. Market wasn't great, volume really wasn't there. I actually went live in our Discord room yesterday and discussed that how volume was pretty light the end of last week. Showed a couple of charts that were showing some warning signs that we may be due for a correction, pullback, at minimum a consolidation, and that's pretty much what we saw today. But the end of day ideas, one was pretty much flat, one gave us almost 5%, and then one was over 5%. And in these market conditions, you just have to take what you can get. Um, we've been conditioned, at least the people that started in March, April, May, after everything crashed, we've been pretty much straight up. And whenever the market's moving like that, you can get away with mistakes. And, you might not make as much as you should be making, but you're still going to be making money. But whenever things start slowing down, you have to be on top of your game, stick to your rules, or you're going to get tore up. You can't play the same way, the end of last week and probably a majority of this week as you have been playing the last 9, 10 months. It's not going to work out. You have to change, you have to adapt, or you're going to fall to the wayside. So that's it for that. Again, the link is in the description. Come check us out. Free 7-day trial. You don't have to enter any payment information uh, to receive your free trial. So come check us out. So today I wanted to talk about buy the rumor and sell the news. Now you may have heard this saying before. It's pretty common, and there's a reason. Is that's exactly what you do. Anytime you have a rumor of news coming out, people are going to buy up that stock according to that rumor, whether it's true or not. If it comes out that that rumor wasn't true, then you better be ready because whatever ran up, you're probably going to give all of those gains back. Um, and now, if the news is actually announced and that rumor was true the whole time, well, it's not really news at that point because you and everybody else has known about it for months. So if you wanted to get in because of that news, you were already in. So when the actual news drops and it is confirmed, it's first of all, most of the time it's already moved up past where that news should have taken it to. Um, but second, there's nobody left to buy it. Everybody that wanted in on that news was already in on that news, and that's why you often see a sell off. You see it with news events. You also see it with earnings reports. The quarterly reports, if somebody's going to put out good numbers and they can put out good numbers and the stock can still tank. There's no guarantee in earnings reports. They could beat estimates on all their numbers and still fall. You see it pretty often. Playing any ER is a gamble at best. You might as well walk into a casino and bet red or black because that's basically what you're doing. They can have the best numbers, good news, but a stock that ran leading up to the ER, that's pricing that in. They're already taking into account those good numbers because if you know it or I know it, trust me, these institutions and these people that have large amounts of money, they knew it long before us. So ER is basically a way for them to move the market and either get in lower or they'll make it run on bad news. They could miss all their numbers and it can still go up. You know, big money controls the market. No matter what you think, they always will. And the smart thing is to follow them. They're not going to lose money, not very often. So you want to be vigilant in anything that you see. Any company expecting news coming out and they've been on a strong run, you know, as of late, chances are that when that news actually is confirmed, actually does drop, you can see the price tank. Don't be surprised because it happens time and time again. The price gets driven up past where the news should have taken it, and once released, it just falls back down. It's a very common occurrence in the market. So always be vigilant, be ready, be prepared. Always be on your toes, have your stop loss, your trailing stop in place, and don't let a play get out of control trying to chase the news. And I mean, really, I don't look at the news. I try to avoid the news. I try to look at charts and volume only for that simple fact. The news is there to trick you most of the time. It's either to get you out of your shares for cheap or to get you to buy their shares for a higher price. That's what it's there for. So that's pretty much it for the buy the rumor, sell the news. Just be vigilant of it. It happens over and over and over again, and new traders fall victim to it time and time again. So now I'm going to show our results that we discussed earlier from the end of day plays, and then I will also show our plays that we entered in today. Thanks for joining. Good luck and stay green.